Hello बच्चों, let's read this question. In this question, in Young's double slit experiment, if the width of the slits are in the ratio 4:9, the ratio of the intensity at maxima to the intensity at minima will be. In this question, the key concept is principle of superposition and Young's double slit experiment. Principle of superposition कहता है कि if number of waves reach at a point, then the resultant displacement of the point is the vector sum of individual waves. So for A maxima amplitude to be maximum जो कि होगा कंस्ट्रक्टिव इंटरफेरेंस में phase difference phi is equal to 0, 2 pi, 4 pi, so on, and path difference delta x is equal to n lambda जिसमें n की वैल्यू होगी 0, 1, 2, 3 and amplitude maximum is equal to A1 plus A2. So intensity maximum is directly proportional to A1 plus A2 का whole square. For A minimum जो कि होगा destructive interference में phi is equal to 2n plus 1 pi. Path difference is equal to 2n plus 1 by 2 lambda, and amplitude minimum is equal to A1 minus A2, and intensity minimum is proportional to A1 minus A2 का whole square. यंग्स डबल स्लिट एक्सपेरिमेंट में देयर आर टू स्लिट्स जिसमें से लाइट पास करती है. ये दोनों कोहेरेंट सोर्सेज बनाती है. सो एज अ रिजल्ट एन इंटरफेरेंस पैटर्न इज सीन ओवर द स्क्रीन. इसमें इंटेंसिटी is directly proportional to the width of the slit. In Young's double slit experiment, इस क्वेश्चन में हमें गिवन है कि width of the slits are in ratio 4:9. So W1 upon W2 is equal to 4 by 9 is equal to intensity 1 upon intensity 2. Now हमें पता है कि intensity 1 is equal to A1 का square and intensity 2 is equal to A2 का whole square. So A1 upon A2 is equal to 2 by 3. So A1 की वैल्यू होगी 2k and A2 की वैल्यू होगी 3k जिसमें k is the constant. So intensity at maxima I max upon intensity at minimum will be equal to A1 plus A2 का whole square upon A1 minus A2 का whole square. So this will be equal to 2k plus 3k का whole square upon 3k minus 2k का whole square. This equals to 25 by 1. So the answer for this question is 25:1 is the ratio of intensity max to intensity minima. So the correct option for this question is option B, that is 25:1. So for the question in Young's double slit experiment, if the width of the slit I ratio 4:9, the ratio of the intensity at maxima to the intensity at minima will be 25 ratio 1.